auspicious morning to all over here. Today's morning assembly topic is National Computer Day. To know what is computer, we are going to conduct today's morning assembly. Let us start our day by offering prayer to that Supreme Almighty. So get ready for the prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes.
Thought of the day is man is still the most extraordinary computer of all. Thanks.
Making a habit of learning new words and putting them into practice always go a long way to increase our brain capacity and to expand our mind to the world around us. So let us enhance our vocabulary. And next, I would like to call Pura for word of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Word of the day is AI, meaning a set of technologies that allow computer to work human-like tasks. Sentence: my favorite friend has taken AI. Thank you and have a nice day.
Knowing what's happening around the world is a very essential duty for all of us. So I would like to call Japni to make us aware of today's current happenings.
Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines are international news. U.S. military Osprey aircraft with six abroad crashes off southern Japan. At least one dead. National news. In Supreme Court, Kerala questions governor's decision to refer seven bills to president. Sports news. It was as quiet as library. Pat Cummins recalls Virat Kohli's dismissal in World Cup final. Thank you.
To know more about computer, I will like to call Apya. Apya, please.
Importance of computer. Computers are an essential part of the modern era and lives. In today's world of science and technology, computers are used in almost all the fields and sectors and across the people of all age groups for serving various needs and purposes. Computers play a crucial role in people's day-to-day activities, studying, gathering information, doing research work, or completing any task or work. For entertaining purpose too, computers are utilized widely across the globe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Apya. It's time to take an oath to fulfill our duties by saying pledge lines. So I would like to call Saurabh to administer the pledge.
Everyone take pledge position. India is my country.